Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So on Christmas weekend I went to Pondicherry. So I thought to share with you all a Pondicherry vlog. This is my very first vlog, so guys please keep on watching. So this is a very beautiful early morning view on Rock Beach. I clicked a lot of pictures here. This beach is a no vehicle zone from 7 in the evening to early morning, making it the perfect place to spend your mornings. Also, there is some dance for fitness are going there. It was really fun to watch.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money.
I think everyone can spend hours and hours just looking this beautiful beach and its sunrise. It was very relaxing and calming. So this is Mantri Mandir, the golden dome. The size of the golden dome is just eye-catching. It is standing in the middle of a beautiful garden. It witnesses a large number of tourists every year. The Paradise Beach is a wonderful and ideal place to just relax and play with your family and friends. Since the beach is smooth and does not have any rough surface, also the water is completely crystal clear. I just love beaches and here I enjoyed a lot. So this is the evening view of Rock Beach or Promenade Beach. It is located in the heart of the city. It is about a 1.2 kilometer long stretch. You can find a number of people are just chilling here. It is the best place to spend your evenings. After that we just go to see the local market for some shopping because shopping is must. We will also attend a culture program which was happening on same Pondy Road. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and hit that like button. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Bye bye.